Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us again. This is going to be our second ballet tutorial. We hope you liked the first one, and if you haven't seen it, we did go over a couple of basic moves. So go ahead and check out in the description below for our first video. Casey is with me again today. We loved having her, so we're going to move on and go ahead and take it away.
All right, let's go, you guys. So last time we started in first position, so we're gonna do that same thing again. Start with your heels kissing and your toes spread apart, and we're gonna move into our first new move today. So I want you to take a tendu of your right foot all the way to your tippy toes and place your foot a little bit farther away from your other foot this time. They're a little farther, they wanna kiss, but not quite yet. So from here, we're gonna go to a plie, just like we did last time, but our feet are gonna stay nice and wide the whole time. And you can grab onto your big bouquet of flowers. And all we're gonna do is sit our bottoms down, bend our knees right over top of our toes, and stay nice and tall all the way up to the top. Again, we bend down towards the ground, and then straighten up nice and tall like a soldier. Let's add some arms. Let's just take your arms out to the side as your knees bend down, and straighten up nice and tall. Let's do one more just like that. Down, and straighten up nice and tall. Do you remember what plie means?
Do you guys remember?
It means to bend.
That's right.
So we're doing that same thing, but in second position. So now that we've mastered that, let's add some different arms. Maybe take our arms out to that second position, nice and wide. And from here, we're gonna go down to our plie. And as we come up, we're gonna reach up tall and grab an apple off of the tree, and look at that shiny apple. And then bring it back down to our plie. And let's take an apple up off of the other tree.
Ooh, can I grab a banana?
Absolutely, you can grab a banana if you can reach it. And then go back down to your plie. And this time maybe grab a peach. And down to your plie one more time and grab your favorite fruit on this last one and tell everybody what your favorite fruit is. Watermelon. That doesn't grow on a tree, I'm just kidding. But you can pretend. Maybe. So that's your plie, that's your second position plie.
Second position.
You ready to try the next move? Yeah?
I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
Okay, so let's find our toes back to first position. Now this one's called a chasse. Can you say that? Chasse. Nice, good. Nice job. From here, let's take your arms out to second position again. And chasse means to chase. So your foot goes apart, together, apart. And your feet are chasing one another. And let's go slow back to the other side, apart, together, apart. And one more time to the right side, apart, together, apart. And last time, apart, together, apart. Now we're gonna add a little bit of energy to it. Do you got any energy in you?
I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna try it.
Let's try it. So arms back out to second position. Now we're gonna add a little bit of a chase to our feet. Quicken up those feet just a little bit. You go apart, together, apart. Nice job, and close your feet back to first position. Let's go to the other side. And apart, together, apart. Nice, and close your feet. Last one to the right, apart, together, apart, and close. Last one to the other side, apart, together, apart, and close.
Wow, so it's like our feet are playing tag.
Totally, just like that, just like your feet are playing tag, exactly. Now maybe let's add it with a little bit of arms. So this time we're gonna take our arms to second, go apart, together, apart, reach up tall, grab that apple, and bring it down. Nice, let's go to the other side. And apart, together, apart, reach up tall, grab your apple, and bring it down. Nice job. Maybe we should try to do that all over the room.
Yes.
Sound like a good idea?
However much space you guys have, use it.
Yeah, wherever you want to go, just chase your feet around the house. Here we go. Ready? And chase, chasse, 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 and close. Nice job, guys. You're doing great. Are you ready for the third and final bonus move?
Woo! We got to the third bonus move.
Yep. Here we go. So this one's called an arabesque. It takes a lot of strength. So show me your muscles. Good, and tuck them down. So all we're gonna do is point your toe out to the side, just like we did in the tendu of the last video. Step on that foot and try to balance just like an airplane. And lift up your back foot up off the ground nice and tall, and then you can pull it back together. How'd that go? Maybe let's try it on the other foot. You might be better on the other side. And point tendu all the way out to the other side, step on your foot, Let's kick that back leg up and try to balance. Arms out nice and wide like an airplane, and then you come back together. Yeah, let's try 2 more, one on each side. Here we go. Point tendu, step, reach, and pull back together. Nice. One more time on the other side. Point tendu, step, reach, and pull back together. That's your bonus move, guys. That one's really hard. The pros do that one. They do all these. But good job. Maybe, do you want to try to put them all together?
Yeah!
Awesome. Let's try it out without music first. So, feet are in second position, arms are out nice and wide. And here we go. 4 plies. 1, and stretch. 2, 3. Last one. Now let's add the plie with the reach. So plie, reach up, grab your apple, and come down to your plie, and reach. This is 3. Let's go for 1 more, and reach. Nice. Close up your feet nice and tight. Let's go for those chasses. 1 to each side. Arms out nice and wide. Let's go. Chasse, and reach, and close. Chasse, and reach, and close. Don't forget to close your feet. And now let's chasse in a circle. Here we go. And close up your feet. Let's reach your toe out for an arabesque. And come back together. And maybe add a curtsy at the end if you like. Let's try it with music.
Let's do it.
How was that, you guys?
That was a lot of fun. I felt challenged. I hope you did too. And please remember to have fun and practice whenever you can. Please join us next time for our ballet tutorial and have a great day.
Bye.